Robert's 2057 VCT-EZ adhesive is a translucent drying thin spread adhesive with aggressive tack, specifically designed for the interior installation of vinyl composition tile in residential to light commercial environments. 2057 has a moisture vapor emission rate of 8 pounds and an RH of 85%. Covering up to 240 square feet per gallon, depending on trowel type, substrate, and installation conditions, it has an open time of up to 60 minutes and a working time of up to 8 to 12 hours. 2057, like most adhesives manufactured by Roberts, are the only adhesives to include microban antimicrobial technology, providing around-the-clock product protection from the growth of stain and odor-causing microbes, including bacteria, molds, and mildews. For further assurance of the effectiveness and quality of our products, we offer a 2-year shelf life and a lifetime warranty when installed in accordance with the printed specifications performed by industry-certified professional installers.